Unlock a world of entertainment by streaming your favorite Netflix shows and movies on your big screen using just your Apple TV. First, let's make sure you have the Netflix app on your Apple TV's home screen. Navigate to and open the App Store. In the App Store, use the search function, tap into the search bar, and type in Netflix. You'll see the official Netflix app appear in the search results. Select it by clicking on it. On the Netflix app page, you'll find a button to get or download the app. Click this button to start the download and installation process. Once downloaded, the Netflix app icon will appear on your Apple TV's home screen. Navigate to it and select it to open the app. If this is your first time using Netflix on your Apple TV, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Netflix account email address and password using your remote. After signing in, you'll be greeted by the Netflix main menu here. You can browse through a vast library of content, from trending shows to critically acclaimed movies. Use your Apple TV remote to navigate through the different categories, scroll through recommendations, and select any title that catches your eye. Once you select a show or movie, simply press play and begin streaming directly on your television. Enjoy hours of entertainment with Netflix on your Apple TV.